Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Volkswagen Touareg. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is on. Next, grab your phone and confirm that its Bluetooth feature is enabled and discoverable. Then, on your Touareg's infotainment screen, navigate to the main menu and select the phone option. This is your starting point for setting up a new connection. Once you're in the phone menu, you'll see an option for Bluetooth. Select this to proceed. Your Touareg will then begin searching for nearby devices. Look for a prompt like Search for New Device or Add Device and tap it. Both your phone and the car's screen will display a unique pairing code. Verify that these codes match before confirming the connection on both devices. After confirming the pairing code, your phone's name should appear on the Touareg screen in a list of available devices. Select your phone from this list. You might then be asked to allow access to your contacts and call history. Accept this for full functionality. Finally, make a quick test call or play some music to ensure your Bluetooth connection is working perfectly. Enjoy your hands-free experience. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the Touareg's infotainment system can often resolve them. Also, consider deleting any old, unused Bluetooth pairings from your car's memory to prevent conflicts and improve performance. For more great tips and to stay refreshed on the go, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description below, along with other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.